Guys, welcome back to Late Night Cooking with Aníbal. Today I'm going to have the beautiful whatever I find. Like I always, I never write a menu, so today I'm going to have whatever but beautiful food, always healthy. So give me the love, press the button, subscribe yourself, tell me what you think, share with your friends. Many things you can do, but the more important thing is please cook the food that I'm making because I'm doing with my love, sharing my knowledge. Thank you. Stay tuned.
Back then they used to call her jawbone. We was little freaks watching porno, going crazy with the hormones. Now we paying car notes, lighting up like charcoal. Lost a couple homies, but I meet them at the crossroads. ISO on the hoodies, gotta ship them out like cargo. Back in high school, rock the polo with the cargos. Take a trip to Dad, Grandma Ursi had the car for. I need like 6 rings like the Bulls in Chicago.
Cause we be out here 3-peating, pumping fan, they hard, you can hear it beating. Schooling all them and we still teaching. Wanna talk biz, we can set the meeting. Light us up, yeah, we still chiefing. You be lucky if you still breathing. Always think before you start speaking. With yourself, you be still beefing. Cause they ain't real, they just real misleading. Trying to read me, but you misreading.
Yeah, we in the bunker, rolling up some skunk up. Laying down tracks, you can hear the hunger. Every day is numbered and we ain't getting younger. So I apply pressure like a damn plunger. They ain't for the culture, they all vultures, they all vulgar. We need structure for these youngsters, they all pumped up, pushing dumpsters. See a cocked and rush them, we need change, but we all flustered.
It been this way since they call us color. For about 10 summers, DJ Mustard, the revolution still loaded like it got a buffer. Now we gotta wear a mask to keep our face covered, and they shooting us with bullets that's rubber. We gotta be the keeper for our brother. How we supposed to come together? It's families that can't recover. Still in mourning while we gotta suffer. This the beginning till we see another.
I spend my Mondays like Fridays. I spend my Fridays in a box with my heart on my whining. I put my pinings on pedestals till they keeping them grounded. What's that mountain to nothing? Let's make something from nada. Let's go to Gucci and Prada. Set the buildings on fire. Screaming death to designer while we listen to ponder. I'm on a grown man, baby face, kind of a tantrum. Spreading like cancer did, and my father's skeleton. Damn, friend, I ain't sad that he come while I'm crying to help with him. I ain't good at embellishing, I'm more better with medicine than a spoonful of sugar. Watching everything go down, that's a long way. Pray that I never see the ground. A long day, I swear there's a better me around. Just gotta grab it, this is magic, this is switch from lost and found. Make my baggage do a backflip, stick the land and hit the town. With my homie smoking spliffs until our lungs burst. We some young birds who made our way out of the cage. We all some dumb nerds, probably should get to acting our age. But where's the fun in that? We going fishing for dreams that kept intact. Skipping plans, playing hooky on school days. You make your place in the world, don't let them try to tell you otherwise. This is it. Life's like a party out with Pennywise. That's a stroke of my ego out the tip of a fountain. Pen me in, swear to God I love a box break collar. Come around the mountain, I'ma run straight through it. This be some grave Buick music, like a budget be cooler than ballin' out when the economy fruitless and the ecosystem nervous like a school full of shooters. Keep it all on the loop like a rapper producer. God watch it and he laughing like it's all a big joke. Maybe that's the way to tackle all this hardship on the road of life. Like if something isn't going right, well then that's the way it goes.